So we finally made it. We've escaped the southwest and winter. We've got blue skies, warm weather. It took us a little bit longer to get up here, but we made some amazing stops along the way, saw some beautiful towns, found a ghost town, and we're finally here to explore Karijini. It's a bucket list thing that we've been waiting to do. So we've been here for a few days now, and we've swum in some gorges, we've walked a lot of gorges. Today we did something that we weren't expecting to do. We've climbed Punurunnha, which is WA's second highest peak. We're all feeling it today, the calves are hurting, but it was beautiful and I'm glad we did it. And we've got a couple more days left, so we're just going to try hit up the last of the gorges that we need to do. Hopefully our legs hang in there, and yeah, we can't wait.
Winter would bring me you. Cold touch for
The other day we went for a hike and we found a really cool waterhole. We're going to see if we can find it again today. I think this is it. We made it to the pool. Look how beautiful it is.
Punurunnha. Here we are, we're about to climb. It's a long way up. The sun's just poked his head up. We're gonna go hit it. Let's go.
You. We're going to climb Punurunnha. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun.
7 o'clock. We're going to see how long it takes us to get to the top.
Couple of hours.
Hopefully not too many photo stops. Sunrise is amazing. So excited.
We're climbing Punurunnha. It's the second tallest peak in Western Australia. We woke up really early to catch the sunrise and it's such a beautiful day. Let's go.
Alright, 1k so far. The girls have stripped off, they're getting warm. The light is amazing. We still have so far to go.
Enjoying it?
Yeah. So we've been going for about 25 minutes. It feels like we're already halfway, but I'm not sure. We're so high, the view's incredible. We can see everything from up here. Whoa, look at this.
Made it, you guys.
So far on this trip we have seen some really amazing places. The colours and textures of Karijini are like nothing we've ever seen before. We have visited most of the popular places, but today we are looking for somewhere a little more quiet. Since our trip is coming to an end, we really want to soak it all in, just one last time. Well, Karijini has definitely saved the best for last. Gorges is truly breathtaking. I think it is safe to say that we will be back.